Okay, so just for documentary purposes, I have been told Ralphie is a boy. I don't know if he's a boy,
Not anymore.
but I've been told he's a boy. And he's quite old. Now, he seems extremely upset that Mango is trying to feed him. And Mango is chirping and displaying to him, which is very confusing. Mango is ready. He showed signs of physical satisfaction at his human mommy's house. So, Mango is in prime right now. So, my question would be to Cockatiel people. If Mango is wanting to get his sexy on, wouldn't Mango know that Ralphie is a boy? Ralphie's a very old boy. Ralphie has no tail. Ralphie's at least 10, yes. But Mango is how old, Catherine?
Between 6 and 8 months.
6 and 8 months. He is doing the chicken sound, which is the mating call.
He's displaying for Ralphie. Like that?
Like that.
Yes, beautiful baby.
And very, very excited.
I love that.
So he is, yes.
He likes Ralphie.
You like Ralphie?
Wait, is he bowing for him? Oh my god. Why do we have weird birds? Did you just displayed too?
So we're just going to try to be a little quiet here and see what happens.
He's so proud. Yes.
Ooh. Mango.
Mango, baby. You gonna display? You gonna show me your wings? Yeah.
Yes.
Wings?
Where's
Where are
Gigi?
the wings?
Wouldn't you like to have a Gigi instead of a...
Wings! Wings! Hey, Gigi. Look over there.
What?
Is that him making those sounds?
Yes. Yes. Good chicken. Yes. Chicken.
Heart.
Yes. Wings.
Heart. Wings!
Good baby. Wings.
Heart.
Oh, yes.
You're making pretty sounds.
Yes. But nothing from Ralphie. So here comes.
There we go.
Let's see what happens here.
Gigi, check him out. Maybe it's like, yeah, I don't care.
What do you think? Gigi. Gigi, look behind you. He's a very handsome boy. Yes, he is. Do you see him?
Oh.
Gigi. Yeah?
Oh. And there's Sunny. Join the cocktail party. She's like, where's my clothes up? I think Ralphie might be a girl.
And of course, there is beautiful Rouge, who is Brinks and Roxy's baby. Yes.
Say hi, Mango.
Now, Mango, if you display to Rouge, Rouge is definitely...
Yeah, we know that for sure. Oh, guys, you're okay.
Okay, so
Sunny's back.
we've got a lot of this video, about 4 minutes. So we think this is strange behavior. Yes. Whoopee!
Pretty.
Yes. Pretty.
Pretty bird.
Pretty boy. Yes, there are 2 females in this room. Not 3.
And they're pretty. Oh, honey. Wings. Yes.
Hubba hubba. Ow.
You are a fine fellow.
Yeah.
He sits up so tall.
Where's my Gigi? You see her flying behind me, don't you?
Yep, there you go.
There's Sunny. Now we know Sunny's a girl.
Yeah.
But there was no sexy looks for Sunny.
No.
There is...
Pretty... Did he just say pretty bird?
There is sexy look for Gigi.
And Ralphie.
And Ralphie, who is now in the corner.
That's Ralphie. Oh, he is hiding.
Okay, Cockatiel people. Cockatiels rock. Yeah, but help me out.
Please help us.
Ooh,
That's so nice.
You're so pretty. That's so handsome.
I'm just hearing all the sounds from you tonight.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, he's doing that. And Saturn in there keeps raising his wings up.
What? What? What?
Mango.
Mango wants a girlfriend. Here comes Mango sitting in a tree. Kissing Ralphie. That's wrong.
That was very wrong.
Now, we wouldn't have any problems with you mating with Gigi.
As long as you're still mine. As long as
Gigi!
you're still
Gigi!
Well, it would just be conjugal visit, and then he'd
That's
go
what my
home.
sister once said. I swear you sang Pretty Bird.
Sounds like he is.
Could be.
You hear
Pretty
that too?
bird.
Okay, good.
Pretty bird. Do you like him, Gigi? He is handsome.
He's the Ralphie that you can have. Wow, Mango wings.
Your wings are so pretty,
And
buddy.
What's interesting is Gigi has been ready for a long time.
Mm-hmm. Mango wings?
Mr.
Mango.
Gray is going crazy.
Mango, mango!
He's like, there's another handsome man.
Okay. Is that it? Is that all? Okay. Oh.
He doesn't like Sunny.
But he likes Gigi and Mr. or Ralphie.
Why don't you want Sunny?
Because she was mean to me yesterday.
You be nice to her,
Be
Mango.
nice to Sunny.
You guys live kind of together. You live in the same house, not in the same cage.
Yeah.
Hi.
To be continued.